2025 Mercedes-Benz Luxury Camper van is the epitome of automotive craftsmanship, bringing together cutting-edge technology, premium materials, and sleek design to create a truly unparalleled mobile living experience. This isn't just a camper van, it's a luxurious, high-tech travel companion that redefines the concept of adventure on the road. Whether you're a seasoned van lifer, a road trip enthusiast, or someone looking for a sophisticated mobile living space, the 2025 Mercedes Luxury Camper van is designed to meet the needs of the most discerning travelers. On the exterior, the 2025 Mercedes Luxury Camper van stands out with its glossy pearl white body accentuated by bold deep crimson red details, making it look both sophisticated and modern. The van's design includes a dynamic, aerodynamic silhouette, reflecting the high-performance capabilities of the vehicle. The exterior boasts a chrome trim, adding a layer of elegance, while its sleek lines and polished finish ensure it captures attention wherever it goes. The van is equipped with LED lighting that enhances its modern appearance, creating a glow that complements its design and highlights the camper's contours during both day and night. Inside, the camper van is equally impressive. The interior is a perfect blend of luxury and functionality. With premium leather seats in a combination of cream and deep red, the cabin exudes warmth and comfort. The seats are designed for ultimate relaxation, with reclining and swivel capabilities to maximize the space and comfort on the road. Ambient LED lighting sets the mood for every journey, allowing travelers to adjust the lighting according to the time of day or personal preference. This is further complemented by a wood-textured floor and chrome detailing, which enhances the sense of sophistication and coziness within the space. The camper van's kitchenette is a compact yet highly functional area. It comes with high-end appliances including an induction stove, a mini wine fridge, and a collapsible dining table, offering everything you need to cook and dine on the go. The high-resolution smart control panels integrated into the design give users full control over the van's climate, entertainment, and appliances with ease. Whether you're parked in the mountains or at a beachside campsite, the camper's advanced climate control ensures you stay comfortable in any environment. One of the standout features of the 2025 Mercedes Luxury Camper van is its advanced technology. The camper is equipped with AI-driven climate control, providing an optimized and personalized temperature setting. 5G connectivity ensures that you're always connected, whether for entertainment, work, or navigation. The panoramic windows provide breathtaking views of the outside world, while electrochromic tinting allows you to control the amount of sunlight entering the cabin, giving you privacy and comfort at all times. The smart solar-powered battery backup is an essential feature, providing renewable energy that ensures the camper's systems stay operational, even in remote locations. For performance, the 2025 Mercedes Luxury Camper van is powered by a hybrid engine, delivering a perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency. Its all-terrain drive system ensures that you can take this van on the most rugged of adventures, whether navigating mountain roads or coastal highways. The dynamic air suspension guarantees a smooth and comfortable ride, no matter the terrain, while the next-gen autonomous driving support enhances safety and convenience on long drives. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Luxury Camper van is more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile home that combines luxury, technology, and performance in one stunning package. Whether you're embarking on a long road trip across Europe or exploring the natural beauty of America, this camper van offers an unmatched experience in freedom, comfort, and sophistication. It's the perfect solution for anyone seeking a high-end, versatile, and adventure-ready camper.